What up, pretty lady?
That's very big. Hello,
You look
King.
good. Are you still tired? If you need to go back to sleep, you go. I know you're tired. You
No,
want to
I'm
go back?
fine. I'm fine. I sleep long time.
She said long time. Okay. I always like it when the Asians say the word long. Um. Okay. So let me tell you why I brought you here, my queen.
Yeah.
Today we are gonna what I planned, and I trust me. I've been thinking about this for a while. What I'm gonna be announcing today is basically the way for the women to sign up and what's actually going to take place round one. Now, would we start Filipino I'll say, hey, we're going to start now. I'll start talking, and then
Mhm.
just so there's no confusion, I'm going to have you say some of the things in Filipino so
All
they're
right.
not confused.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Game.
you think you're going to be able to do this? Hold on, let me try to get us into. I wonder if I should put us in this
Hello,
window.
busy.
Should I
Hi,
put
busy.
us in this window or this window? Which one
That's
do you
it.
want to
That's
go?
it. That's it. That's one. That's fine.
This one? Okay, look how happy she got. All right. Oh, shit. Okay.
Punch, did you see? What's that in the screen? Comment. Hi, Ra. Nicole Ams. Hello. Shout out. Ra Garcia. Mega love shout out. Okay. I cannot hear you, King.
You can hear me now?
Yeah. What did
Sorry,
you
I
do?
must have hit mute somehow. Okay.
Who is
All right, let me.
Anthony Scaramucci?
Uh,
Hello.
uh, he's a he's a politician. How did you hear that name?
It's from Wise Dog.
Oh, Raquel, will
Hello,
you be watching?
Ramses.
No, he's joking with you. This guy, he was joking. It's a guy that's going to be on some weirdo's channel. All right. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to announce the rules for the first round of the tournament, and then I'm going to announce how they can sign up. All right. So wait, let me think which part I should announce first. Um.
Kanya daw ipapalam sa inyo ang gusto niya mangyari sa kanyang live in the future. In 2 weeks time, di ba? So, 2 linggo na lang, magkakaroon tayo ng magandang paligsahan.
What did you just say? So I know.
I said that in 2 weeks time, you will have your singing contest.
Okay. Oh yeah. So then, all right. So say this: every girl that wants to participate or guy can participate.
Okay. So, mababae man o malalaki, pwede kayo, you are welcome to participate daw para pwedeng lumahok kayo sa kanyang para sa gagawin niyang programa na singing contest. Oh,
Okay. Here's the next part. The ladies that are singers, if you are afraid to sing your song live, then record yourself singing it. Go ahead, my queen.
so ayan, kung kayo ay may mayroong magandang boses at feeling nyo naman na qualified kayo na mag sasali sa ating palahok, i-record nyo ang inyong sarili na kumakanta kayo, galingan nyo sa pag-record para ipapasa natin sa kanya at siya na ang bahala dun sa video na i-record niyo. So that means you have time to record yourself para ipasa natin kay King. So, yun. Okay, King.
Correct. Okay. Now, the tournament might start, or the contest might start in 2 weeks, but it is not a one night event. If you are looking to sign up, you either reach out to Raquel and make sure you get her name to her, or you could reach out to me. But what we will be doing, oh, go ahead and tell people that first.
Yeah, pagka ano daw sa 2 linggo po, sa loob ng 2 linggo, mag-start na po yung ating ano at hindi lang po siya iisang araw lang mangyayari. May mga araw po tayong ano, parang 'di ba yung pag nagpaligsahan po sa singing contest dito sa Pilipinas, meron po siyang day by day na tsaka po magkaroon ng grand final, right? Am I correct? So we will have a grand final. We will have to pick. Magpipick tayo ng ano, um, kung sino yung top 10 until grand final. Is that right?
Yeah, well, basically, how that will go is this:
Mm.
we don't know how many people are going to be competing yet, because
Yeah.
people are going to be signing up as it goes along. So the first round will end, ladies or guys, when we are out of contestants. Meaning, when we start doing the tournament, people can keep signing up. So, because we're going to do multiple days. When we run out of contestants, that's when we'll go on to the second round. But before you say that, Raquel, every girl competing, even if you don't move on, the people not moving on will be going into another tournament. So there will be two sets of, don't feel that you don't win, you're not going to move on. No, you're just be putting into another bracket. You're not going to be put in a big one. So if you can't tell them that, my queen.
So sabi niya na kahit daw hindi kayo mananalo sa ano na to, paligsahan na to, ilalagay kayo dito sa isang tournament na pwede rin kayo magkakaroon ng chance na mananalo dito. At kahit na, yun, sinasabi niya, kahit na hindi kayo mananalo, may chance pa rin kayong magkakaroon ng salapi.
Okay.
Ganun
The
yung
judges,
gusto niya palalabasin.
there will be 3 judges. Now, the judges aren't the judges because we're judging you on your singing. We are the judges because we can't sing. So, ladies, don't feel like this contest, you're being judged on your talent. It's really going to be the luckiest girl wins because the judges aren't singers. Go ahead and tell them that, and I'll tell them who the judges are.
So the judges will be, I think, Shorty Getaway. Who else? King. I don't know about the judges, but as so far as I know, the judges would be Shorty Getaway.
Tell them what I said, and then I'll tell them who the judges are. I said about the we're not the judges because we're judging you on your singing. We're just the judges because we can't sing.
Yeah. Hindi kami yung magiging judges. Meron pong mga judges na senior po talaga. So ayan, sila po yung magja-judge sa inyong performance, 'di ba? Minsan hindi po nadadala sa boses. Depende na rin kung paano niyo i-deliver yung sarili niyo at pagkanta niyo during the contest. So, ayan, basta galingan nyo lang yung pagdi-deliver. Hindi naman po, minsan kasi ang pagkakanta, kahit na professional na mga awit ka at hindi ka naman talagang nagpa-practice, kulang ka sa practice, kailangan mo talagang galingan. So, ayan, basta singers din po yung mag-judge sa inyo during the
Yes.
day.
The 3 judges are going to be these 3 judges. We may occasionally have a stand-in judge. It depends how interesting this thing gets. And then I'll explain the rules of the first round, because the first round is going to be the easiest. But the 3 judges that I've selected and I have talked to are Shorty's Getaway. What will be perfect about Shorty is Shorty fully speaks English and Filipinian. She'll be able to communicate with every girl on that stage fine. The other girl I found was Rin Chi. You guys don't know who Rin Chi is? You can look her up. She does the bingo in the morning. She's very nice, very beautiful woman. But when I was asking Joanna Hanna to be a singer, I knew Rin Chi didn't really do singing, but I thought she should be a part of it because she's one of the girls that I watch. So she'll be one of the judges. my queen will actually be a competitor in the competition.
Kasali ako.
The other thing I want them to know, and you can translate this, is yes, I am aware that there are women competing in the tournament that I may like, but that does not mean I'm going to play any favorites over any certain girl. Because,
King,
go ahead, tell that.
will you please drop the link or the name in your chat box for those who are the judges? Can you type their names?
Yes, I can. I'll actually drop the link to their channel. Give me 1 second. Okay.
So
But
they
if you-
have an idea who they or maybe
All right, tell them real quick, Raquel.
maybe just keep it a secret first.
Wait, what? Make sure you tell them I'm not going to play favorites. Hold on. Okay.
Nicole shout out. Ano po, hindi po siya a cappella, may tugtog po siya. They're asking if it's a cappella thing. You should have a music with it.
You can have music with it. It's up to the singer. There's probably some people who can sing without music that sound better than people singing with music. The singer
Yan,
is
pwede po siyang a cappella, pwede rin pong hindi.
Okay, here's judge number 1. Connect with Rin Chi. 11,700 subs. She's a girl that, like I said, plays the bingo in the morning. She's also connected to other girls I know. The other judge in the contest is this lovely looking woman, Shorty's Getaway, who has been very, very helpful to me since I've started doing my thing. But this is what she looks like. Hold on. That's her right there. So Shorty's Getaway, this is the one that speaks full English, lives up here by me. Like we said, all the women that want to compete, you either got to get a hold of me or Raquel. Now, let me tell you how the first round's going to go, Raquel, and then you could repeat this to them.
All right.
Here are the rules for the first round. First round's going to be easy. So, to extend it out, because we don't know how many people we're going to have yet, but like I said, that Shorty's Getaway, she has like a bunch of people she's bringing. So this could get interesting. But this is how a general day is going to go. The women for the first round, you are going to pick your own song. Every round, there's going to be a different element. But round 1, it's going to be pretty simple. There'll be a certain amount of girls on a panel. I haven't decided yet if it's going to be 3 or 4 girls, because I might just keep it 3s, and then just because that'll make the tournament more, it'll extend it, make it more interesting. Well, what I'll do is I'll either take 3 people or 4 people. Those ladies will sing a song of their choice. They can either sing it live. It's very important, ladies, that you have strong internet. If not, you got to record it yourself, because you can't be choppy, because it's really going to be the best one sings. So say that so far for me, my queen, what I just said.
Okay. So sabi ni King, 3 daw pong babae or lalaki sa kanyang panel. Kayo po daw bahala kung ano po yung kanta na iyong aawitin. Kung mahina po yung internet niyo, pwede po kayo mag-record sa sarili niyo, gandahan po ninyo yung pag-record, at yun po ang ating ipapalabas during the contest. So, para doon po kukuhanan ng pagda-judge ang ating mga judge, 'di ba? So, ayan, kayo na pong bahala kung ano po yung kanta or awitin na iyong gustong ipapalabas. So, ayan. Di bali ng basta pag mahina ang internet ninyo, i-record, mas maganda din, i-record nyo na yung sarili ninyo, kayo po yung pipili ng inyong aawitin. Yun po.
Every woman that doesn't make it to the next round, you are going into another contest. It's just not going to be as big as the big one, but you automatically get $10 each.
All right.
If you haven't gone in advance. That's what I said. So even if you're coming in, and look at it as you're networking as well. You never know when you're going to see somebody in the crowd that's going to like a girl more than the other, and they become one of your sponsors in the future. There'll be tons of opportunities for ladies to earn sponsors or fans or whatever you guys call them. You know what I mean? If you want to
Yes.
tell them that, my queen, go ahead. And then I think I just got one more thing to add.
So, ayan, bawat babae or lalaki na pwedeng lumahok, meron po kayong 500 or 10 dolyares po ang sinasabi ni King. So, hindi po kayo uuwing luhaan. Sa unang-unang paglahok nyo pa lang ay mayroon na kayong 500 pesos. Ayan. $10.
Okay, here is the rules for the fans that are watching. Now, this is a contest for fun. If any fan, it doesn't matter if it's a friend of mine or not, if anybody says anything disrespectful to any of the woman singers while they are singing, you will be timed out for the show. Meaning, I'll unblock you after, but for the show, you'll be taken out. If anybody disrespects my queen Raquel, you'll be taken out. It's the same way. Same thing with the judges. The competition is for fun. We're not saying I'm a expert. I just have an idea that I think will lead to other things. If you can tell them that, Raquel, about
Okay. Kailangan po maging magalang po tayo at marespeto sa oras ng ating paligsahan para po hindi po kayo ma-time out or ma-hide. Kailangan po wag po kayong magsalita ng mga hindi kanais-nais na mga words dyan sa chat box. Kailangan po marespeto. Bawal po ang bully. Wag po kayong mambully sa mga singers. Bawal po kayong yung tawag nito, boo, ganyan. Wag kayong magsalita ng pangit na salita. Okay? So, kailangan maging marespeto po tayo. At irespeto po natin ang ating paligsahan sa oras ng ating singing contest po. Thank you.
And like I said, I have too much respect for all the competitors, whether they're going to be male or female, because we actually do have some males that are actually going to be competing that I actually saw sing today, and I was actually impressed. Shorty shout out to Shorty's Getaway, who donated on a channel while somebody was singing and asked them to be in our contest. So I appreciate that, Shorty. I know you're not watching now, you were watching earlier, but you'll see that. Raquel, I want to say thank you so much for doing that. Let's see, what's today's date? Today is the 10th of what, May or June?
Here, King, it's 11 May here. In the Philippines, there, it's 10.
Oh, 10. Okay. So we will be looking at, let's see, 10th, probably around the 22nd, 23rd and starting this. But night one, like I said, not all the girls are going to be there night one, because there's going to be so many. I'm guessing there's going to be more than I think. I know it seems crazy thinking that now, but I think there'll be a lot of people there, because there's a lot of girls that just want to go and sing and, show their talents or whatever. So what we'll do is this. The grand prize, I won't announce it till the second round starts, but I guarantee it's going to be interesting. We're staying in. We'll figure out the prizes for the people who don't win when that day comes. But the first round of the tournament is what we're going to concentrate on. Like I said, the first night, what we'll probably do is if we have 6 people night one, we'll separate the girls in 2 groups of 3. Those 3 girls will sing. We'll pick one of the 3. They'll move on. Then the next 3 will come on. We'll pick one of them. They'll move on. That'll be night one. Then we'll go through our list. We'll get 3 more girls. Make sure they're available. Have them come in, and we will do it on this platform. Can you tell them that, my queen?
Yeah. Si King daw, ang sabi niya, 3 babae, di ba, sa panel. Pagpipilian niya bawat palahok sa unang araw. Sa 3 na yon, meron isa na pwede niyang ilagay dito sa section na to Pero yung ito, andito pa rin sila. Hindi rin yun mawawala. Nandyan pa yan. Pero sa susunod na araw, kukuha na naman siya. Meron na naman 3 sasali. Kukuhanin na naman niya ang isa, ilalagay na naman niya dito. So kung sino yung mas magaling, sabihin, mas magaling, di ba? So ayan, at the end of the day, iaano ni King yung mga sinasabing magaling sa unang araw at sa pangalawang araw, iaano niya yon kung sino, kung available man sila sa araw na yon, ipapaligsahan natin sila, i-contest niya kung sino talaga ang mas magaling. At ito namang mga ano na to, ganun din ang gagawin niya. So meron yon mga premyo na atin pong subaybayan kung ano po, magkano po ba talaga ang mapapanalunan ninyo natin. Sali pala ako. I am part of
Now, let me ask you this, because you look glorious tonight. Is there anything that you want to add or you think I should do? Any suggestions, my queen? If you want to suggest anything, you tell me. I will take your suggestion.
Well, King, well, as soon as you know the mechanics of the prices, it's better to know so that it will be it will convince people to join in for the contest because
Okay, we'll say this. I haven't decided on the amount, but it'll definitely be over $150 the winner gets. It'll be a few $100. It'll be probably over 200. I haven't decided the amount.
Wow! Sana all.
I was going to try to make it like a surprise. Like if you watch TV up here, Raquel, sometimes they don't announce what the big time winners are going to get until like the second round. We're trying to make it exciting a little bit. You know what I mean? So this is what your job for me is, Raquel, and I'm going to make sure I look out for you. You write down any name. So as people come in, they say they're interested, you just write down their name. You let people know there is not a specific date, but as we get closer to that one date, like I said, we'll see how many people we have night one. Then we'll look at our list and we'll start calling people. Hey, who's available? Ladies, as long as you're available, you could be here. The most important thing is going to be your internet because I know how shitty your guys' internet can be. My queen's internet is great. And as you can see, her internet always looks good and all that. And her hair is always flapping in the wind. And she always looks good for that. So shout out to my queen who looks glorious this evening. And yeah, if there's anything else you got to add, Raquel, you're more welcome. If you got to go back to sleep, you're more welcome to stay with me. It's all.
Well, that will be it for me, King. So I'm thankful that you have this kind of platform that you are going to do this singing contest program that you're going to happen.
Yeah, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to stay unmonetized for now because I'm going to see what happens when I throw this contest to see what copyrights you do get, which ones you would not. And then that might teach us how to run contests in the future. That's another thing I want to say. This contest is going to lead to more. Like, for instance, the first couple rounds and stuff, they might be one way. Eventually, we might do theme nights. Like 3 singers come on, we have them pick a country song or, whatever, any kind of song. And then that night, they might just get a prize that night. That's why I said this contest is going to hopefully lead into mini singing shows.
So I may say, if anyone would like to donate also to King, why not, right, King? Do you have anything that they can able to, like, maybe they can donate if they want to donate you, or you just have to get all that out of your pocket?
Oh, no, I think, no, nobody has to donate to me if they don't want to, but I do believe I have Streamlabs. It's a link in the bottom. They can if they want. Like I said, I'm not worried about making money yet. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out something cool to do, and this could turn into something. For me, I'm just more happy that the ladies are going to want to show up, and it seems like they all like singing.
Okay,
there might be some guys.
Let me explain that to them. So guys, you have nothing to, wala kayong poproblemahin sa pera na sinasabi ni King about sa 500 o kung bawat akyat nyo dito, meron kayong tigli 500. That means galing po sa kanyang sariling bulsa ang pera na kanyang ibibigay sa inyo at lalo na sa ating papremyo during the grand final singing contest. So ayan, wala po kayong alalahanin sa pera. Hindi po niya kailangan ng mga donasyon para sigurado po tayo about sa salapi. Salamat po. Thank you, King.
Thank you. I'm definitely gonna look out for you for doing that for me, my queen. And yeah. Now, and what I'm gonna do is this. This little piece that y'all just saw, this is gonna be taken out of this show, and I'm literally gonna put it. And then what I'll do is when Raquel goes live, and the other girls, I will, because I never put links in any of the girls' channels, but I'll ask them to put this link, and they'll at least be able to push it and go check it out. And like I said, don't feel rushed. Nobody has to feel nervous. It's like I said, I'm not a judge because I'm a judge. I'm just a judge because I can't sing and I'm doing the contest. You know what I mean? And the other two girls, I think Shorty's perfect because she could go full Filipinian in English. The other girl is just very attractive, and I didn't want to leave her out. And she's nice. You guys all love Rinchi.
Oh.
But my queen, thank you so much. I love your outfits every day. You see, I had the king shirt on for you today.
Oh, wow.
It had the little crowns on it. Yeah.
Your background is blue and I'm wearing blue. Ooh. Okay, King, thank you. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
I need to go. Bye-bye, King.
Bye.